How to change your template in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Squarespace website template. So let's start. Now with new update, you cannot actually change the template of your website that you have already selected. But there are other ways we can do so. The first thing is that you can create a brand new website again and you can choose a new template. This way, you will be able to actually choose from hundreds to thousands of new templates. If you do not want to do that, then you can simply go to your website right here and go to design. In design, we can actually change our site style. That will allow me to completely change the layout of my template. I will be able to change the colors, animation, spacing, image block, and fonts as well. We can also edit our browser icon, and using this option right here, it will allow me to actually customize my template and I can completely change my template the way I want. So if you were looking for a way to change your template on Squarespace, then you can use the site styles or you can go to the squarespace.com/templates and you can change your website template. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.